Hello engineers, are you looking for a compact and powerful solutions for the welding, cutting or brazing? Allow me to introduce you to the game changer Cut-n-Weld ProX kit by Cruxweld, which is all-in-one portable gas welding system that fits into your workflow. This portable kit has everything you need to start working right away. Attachment for both welding and cutting operations. A high-quality brass torch handle designed for durability and precise control. Oxygen and acetylene cylinder ready to fill your task. 2 gas regulators, one for oxygen and another for acetylene. That lets you fine-tune your pressure safely and easily. A 13-foot dual braided hose for additional flexibility and reach. And all safety gears. Okay, now let's understand why Cut-n-Weld ProX kit by Cruxweld is a game changer. The Cut-n-Weld ProX stands out for portability, performance and protection. Its weight is just 18.5 kg. That means it makes it very easy to carry from your garage to your job site or the work site, and even in the large sites is pretty easy, or we can carry it easily. Its compact footprints 350 into 300 into 650 mm means it fits almost everywhere. And the tough polyframe seals and safeguard your tools and cylinders during the transportation. And with one kit, you can cut, weld and braze and perform all the basic heating tasks even. So no need to buy any additional gears. Okay, now as you are aware that Cruxweld prioritize the safety first for our users. So we provide flashback arresters which prevents flame traveling back to the nose. And you get check valves which can stop gas from reversing flow. And this kit includes safety goggles as well, which protects your vision with reliable shades. Now whether you are a seasoned welder or a DIY hobbyist, the control is intuitive. The components of this kit is very easy to assemble and everything is designed to work rightly for the maximum output and the safety. Now let's see what's all there in the box. Now it has oxygen and acetylene cylinder. It has color-coded twin hose pipe which is of 13 feet, and green is for oxygen, red is for acetylene. A torch handle which is made of brass. A cutting torch with lever. 2 regulators, one for oxygen, acetylene. Welding nozzles, 2 welding nozzles, strikers, then a spanner, goggles for the safety of your eyes and vision. In spares you can see these as well. And here is your tip cleaner, and last but not the least, the user manual which can help you to understand the entire machine easily. Okay, so are you looking to level up your metalwork? Visit our website www.cruxweld.com for further more information, or you can simply WhatsApp. And I'll suggest please share this content to the people who need it, maybe to your co-workers or maybe to the people who need the welding solution or the metalwork solution. Please share this content to them as well so that they can also use this. So if you like our content, please share this video to the people who need it. They can get the benefit of this portable kit as well. Thank you for watching and appreciate your time. Thank you so much.